Imagine finishing your entire day's work before lunch. Your emails are written, your meetings are summarized, your reports are done, and you still have time to actually think. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Because AI tools are quietly becoming the secret weapon that's helping millions of people work smarter, faster, and better. Today, we're diving into some of the most powerful AI tools that can literally save you hours every single day. Whether you're in an office, working from home, or running your own business, these tools are designed to handle the repetitive stuff so you can focus on what truly matters. Let's start with the first one, and honestly, it's a game changer for anyone who spends hours dealing with text, reports, or creative writing. It's called ChatGPT, and it's the brain that started the AI revolution. But here's the thing. Most people only use it to write essays or brainstorm ideas. In reality, ChatGPT can help you automate replies to emails, generate reports, summarize meeting notes, or even create step-by-step plans for complex projects. For example, instead of writing an entire email from scratch, you can tell ChatGPT, write a polite follow-up email to a client who hasn't responded in a week. In seconds, you get a professional, well-written draft ready to send. That's 10 minutes saved right there. Now, if you live inside Excel or spreadsheets all day, you're going to love Microsoft Copilot for 365. This is like having an AI assistant built directly into Word, Excel, and Outlook. You can literally ask Excel, show me the sales trends from the last 6 months and create a chart, and Copilot will do it instantly, no formulas.
No manual sorting.
In Word, it can draft entire reports or summarize long documents. And in Outlook, it can read through your emails, highlight the most important ones, and even draft replies in your tone. If you're managing lots of office work, Copilot alone can save you 2 to 3 hours a day easily. The next tool is perfect for people who live in meetings, Otter AI. This tool listens to your meetings and automatically transcribes, summarizes, and organizes key points without you having to take notes. You can literally join a meeting, focus on the conversation, and by the time it's done, Otter has already created a shareable summary with all the action items listed. No more who said what moments. It's like having a personal secretary, but digital. Let's move to something more visual. If you ever find yourself stuck making presentations, you need to meet Beautiful AI or Gamma app. These tools are changing how presentations are made. Just type your topic, and they automatically design clean professional slides with text, visuals, and layouts. You can edit them like a document, drag, drop, and go. What used to take you 3 hours now takes 15 minutes. Imagine creating a client presentation while you sip your morning coffee, and it actually looks good. Now let's talk about content creation. If your job involves social media posts, blog updates, or writing anything creative, Jasper AI is your best friend. It's built for marketing and it understands tone, audience, and emotion. You can say, write a friendly LinkedIn post about balancing work and family life, and Jasper will give you a version that feels human, not robotic. Pair that with Canva Magic Studio, which uses AI to design visuals instantly, and you've got a complete content machine from idea to design in minutes. One of the most underrated but powerful tools right now is Notion AI. If you're constantly juggling notes, ideas, and projects, Notion AI helps you organize them automatically. You can brainstorm new ideas, generate summaries of meeting notes, or even create to-do lists just by typing a sentence. It's like having your thoughts structured by an assistant who never forgets anything. And for communication, make Grammarly. It's Grammarly's AI writing extension that doesn't just correct grammar. It can rewrite sentences to sound more confident, polite, or direct, depending on your goal. If you've ever sent an email and thought, does this sound too harsh? Grammarly fixes that instantly. Plus, it can generate short messages and responses without you typing them from scratch. Now here's the real magic. When you start combining these tools, that's where the time savings multiply. Imagine this workflow. Otter records and summarizes your meeting gives. Notion AI turns that summary into an action plan, gives ChatGPT drafts. The follow-up email gives Microsoft Copilot updates your spreadsheet gives. Act A creates the presentation for the next meeting. You've just completed what used to be a full day's work in under 2 hours. That's not a fantasy. People are doing this right now. And here's the truth. AI isn't here to replace people. It's here to replace the parts of work that drain us. The repetitive typing, the endless formatting, the copy-paste madness. AI frees you up to do what only humans can do. Think, lead, and create. But there's one catch. These tools are only powerful if you learn to use them properly. Don't just download them. Match your style, your tone, and your workflow. The more you use them, the better they adapt to you. So, if you're serious about saving time and getting more done, start with just one of these tools this week. Try Copilot if you're deep in office work. Try Otter if you're always in meetings. Try Jasper or ChatGPT if you're creative. And slowly stack them up and watch how much faster, sharper, and lighter your workday feels. Because in the world we're moving into, the smartest person in the room won't be the one who works the hardest. It'll be the one who knows how to work with AI.